So buying items from Pandabuy is pretty easy. Today I'm going to show you how to buy items on Pandabuy. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to Google and type in whatever the products you want to buy from Pandabuy. Suppose I want to buy Pandabuy shoes product list. You have to type something like that. Now after Googling it, what you have to do is you have to find a good list. So I will go to this link. As you guys can see, pandabuysheets.com. These are the list of the sheets in which the products are listed on Pandabuy. So suppose here you guys can see this is a spreadsheet. I'm just going to click on this Google sheet. It will take me somewhere like that. Now as you guys can see, these are the link buttons. So if I click on this link, I'm just going to click on this link. It will take me to the new tab, and here you guys can see this is the product that I can buy from Pandabuy. What I have to do is, after selecting the size and everything of your choice, you just have to click on buy now, and you guys can also add it to your cart as well, but I'm just going to click on buy now. After clicking on buy now, it is taking me to the payment method, and now I have read and agreed. After doing that, you have to select all of the things. You have to select the destination. Suppose I want it, and then you have to click on submit order, and after clicking on that, they will ask for your payment. You can use any of your card, Union Pay, or you can also use your Binance account. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you find this video helpful.